Hi guys, hello, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you two looks that I created from the Nicka K Under the Sea eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I created like so many looks from this, but I filmed only two. And this is the first time that I will be filming any kind of tutorial. So I hope I did a good job. This is one of the looks that you will see in this video. And before you watch any further clips, okay, so keep in mind that I am not a professional makeup artist, and yeah, I'm just a makeup enthusiast, and I like makeup. I like playing with makeup. It just makes me really happy. So yeah, keep on watching for the tutorial. Hi, hello. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm going in with my yellow shade from the palette, and I'll just put it in the crease. It's not that pigmented, but we will build it up a little if necessary. Now I'm going in with the orange from the same palette using the same brush, and I'll dust off the excess and put it on my crease as well. I just did the entire look on my right eye, and yeah, I was out of frame most of the time, so I'll show you how I did it on my left eye instead. So I took the orange shade once again on the same brush, and I'm just blending everything in, and yeah. Now taking in the brown from the same palette using the same brush, and I'll be focusing it more on the outer corner of my eye. Now taking a flat shade of brush, I'm just going in with a brown shade, and I'll focus it on in my crease just to deepen it a bit. And sorry for blocking you out with my mirror. Now I'm going in again with the brown shade on the same brush, and this time I'll focus it only on the outer corners of my eyes just to deepen it a bit. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush, okay, and I'm blending everything in. Now I'm taking a flat shader brush and picking up the blue shimmer from the palette, and I'll be applying it on the inner corners. Now I'm going in with the fluffy brush and just blending things out. I just went ahead and used a makeup fixer to wet my brush, and I'm going in again with the blue shimmers from the palette and just applying it and layering up the color a little to intensify it. And yeah, look at that chunk. I told you these were some chunky monkey eyeshadows, okay? Now, because this palette does not have an inner corner highlight, I just went ahead and used my highlighter from In Color, and yeah, just highlighting my inner corners, and there I just poked my eye. Now let's move on to the lower lash line. Taking a pointy brush, I just picked up the greenish blue eyeshadow and I will apply it in the inner lower lash line. Now on the same brush, I will pick up orange and I'll apply it. They do have a lot of fallout. Okay, now going in with the brown and just blending everything together. And yeah, we are almost done. Now I'm taking my mascara, which is from Lash Paradise. I mean, it's from L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and yeah, look at the difference that makes. I was not that happy with it, so I just blended it in some more, and yeah, that's it for this look. And these eyeshadows do need a lot of packing and blending and whatnot. These are not the most pigmented, but I still wanted to show you that you can make this work. Okay, it's not like the worst palette in the world, and it's only for 300 bucks. So yeah, this is my complete look. Okay, now let's move on to the other look. So I quickly removed off my makeup, and yeah, you can see that the blue eyeshadow did stain my eye a little. I tried to apply some concealer. I didn't apply a lot, but yeah, now I will be creating a matte look using the three shades, the yellow, orange and brown. So first I'll take the matte yellow shade and put that in my crease. Also, this video is in 2x just to save you some time. You can barely see that shade, but I mean, yeah, it is what it is. Now I took some orange and I'm putting it in the outer crease. Taking some more and just trying to blend everything together. I'm using windshield wiper motions when it comes to my crease and circular motion when it comes to my outer lid or just on my lid. Now I just went in with a flat brush and picked up some orange shade and I'm putting it in my outer lid because I mean, yeah, that's the only way you can pack this color up and just build it up for that payoff. I know it looks messy right now, but just hold on, we will blend everything together. I took the yellow matte shade and I applied it, and you cannot see it. I mean, that shade is barely there. And I took some more and I was trying my best to build it up, but it does not want to work. Okay, so now that I've done that 4 or 5 times, I gave up and I just went in with the orange shade and I was trying to blend those two together. And now I'll take a fluffy brush and blend everything together, and yeah, look at that fallout. If you are going to buy this palette, then please keep in mind that you do your eye makeup first and then move on to the rest of your face. I'm going in with a brown color and I will just put that in the crease. And now in my outer lid, just to give it a bit more definition. Now taking whatever was left on my brush and I'm just putting it on my lower lash line. Then I just went ahead and took some yellow eye. So taking the yellow eyeshadow, I applied it on my lower lash line, and then I thought maybe I should give this yellow another go, and I placed it on my lid with my finger and was trying to blend everything together, but this yellow does not want to work, okay. It's really bad. So later on I just went ahead with a concealer and cleaned off the edges, and I took an eyeliner and I thought it would look good with this look, but I realized I was completely done with this eyeliner. So yeah, I picked up a new eyeliner, and yeah, this look is almost done. Now I'm taking my highlighter and I will just apply some in the inner corners. No, okay, I'm taking my mascara first, sorry. Okay, now my inner corner highlight. Okay, I really like highlighting my inner corners these days. Okay, and we are done with the look. So this is the final look, and you guys can see, yeah, this was the best that I could do with that eyeshadow palette. Okay. But I don't know, I really enjoyed using it and I enjoyed making this video, so yeah. Okay, with that being said, if you liked this video or found it helpful, give this a thumbs up. Also, before you leave, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.